Welcome, this is IGCSE 0606 Additional Mathematics, Paper 11 of May-June 2022. Question number 4. The diagram shows the graph of y equal to absolute value of f of x. F of x is a cubic function. So cubic function means I have three roots. 1, 2 and 3 roots. Find the possible expression. So it can be x minus of minus 2 is plus 2. Then x minus 1 and x minus 3. So y equals to a times. We don't know what is the value of a. For that, what am I going to do? I am going to take this point. What is this point? This point is x is 0 and y is 24. So substitute over here. So 24 equals to a times 0 plus 2 is 2, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, 0 minus 3 is minus 3. So 24 equals to 6a. So a equals to 4. But my final answer, I am going to write it as y equals to plus or minus, because absolute value is there, plus or minus 4 times x plus 2, x minus 1, x minus 3. This is going to be the answer. On the axis below, sketch the graph y equals to absolute value of 2x plus 1 and y equal to absolute value of 4x 4 times of x minus 1, stating the coordinates of the points where the graph meets the coordinate axis. So a 3 marks question. So first of all, y equals to 2x plus 1. So what I know, the y-intercept is 1. So it's going to be intersecting the y-axis at 1. Now I want to know the x-intercept. X-intercept means nothing but what? Y equals to 0. X-axis. So y equals to 0. So 0 equals to 2x plus 1. So 2x equals to negative 1. X equals to negative half. X equals to negative half. This is going to be the point. Then I got those two answers, x-intercept and y-intercept. X equals to negative half. Where is negative half? X equals to negative half is over here. Now I draw this line passing through these 2 points. That's going to be the line. But I want, what do I require it for? I want absolute value of this one. So what does it absolute value makes? Absolute value makes all the equation below the x-axis to become reflected along above x-axis. So this one becomes reflected over here. So this one was below x-axis, it gets reflected over here. So approximately the same slope. That's going to be the your first equation, or the graph for the first equation. Now the next one, y equals to y equals 4 times of x minus 1. Y equals to 4x minus 4. So what is the y-intercept? Y-intercept is going to be negative 4. Negative 4 is going to be the y-intercept. And for x-axis, again y equals to 0. So 0 equals to 4x minus 4. 4x equals to 4. X equals to 1. X equals to 1. Now, how is the graph is going to be? The straight line is going to be joining those 2 points. I will draw a straight line joining those 2 points. This is going to be the straight line. Now again, I want the absolute value. When I want the absolute value, what will happen? The whatever is below the x-axis, it's getting reflected in the same way. It gets reflected over here. But see that this was negative 4, so this point will be positive 4. So this is going to be the diagram. So I am going to erase this part, and similarly this part. And similarly, these all things are not required. Over here again it appeared, so I'm going to erase this. This is going to be the graph where it meets the coordinate axis. Where it is meeting the coordinate axis, we have already done. This one was negative 0.5. This point is negative 0.5 and this point is 1 and 4. So these 3 points are to be mentioned. So you will be getting it out 3 marks. And next, find the exact solutions for this one. So whenever you are taking it out the absolute value, so 1 time plus 2x plus 1 equals to 4 times of x minus 1, or 2x plus 1 equals to minus 4 times of x minus 1. So it becomes 2x plus 1 equals to 4x minus 4, 1 plus 4 equals to 4x minus 2x, 2x equals to 5, x equals to 2.5. Over here, 2x plus 1 equals to negative 4x plus 4, 2x plus 4x equals to 4 minus 1, 6x equals to 3, so x equals to 3 upon 6, x equals to 0.5. That's going to be the answer.